You're not Ollie. Oh, but I am. For the next 24 hours. Hello my babies, Mama's back with another video. Will Tennyson. We all know him, we all love the guy, right? I think he's funny, he has a very good work ethic, he's very inspiring and motivating. I really like his content, so I figured I'd message him and ask what he does in a day. That way I can make a video living like Will Tennyson for 24 hours. He actually replied, which I thought was so cool because I didn't expect him to respond. Normally people just leave me on red. Yeah, he messaged me back. He told me his schedule for what he does every day. I'm excited. I think this will be fun. This will be a grand video, if I do say so myself. He said that he wakes up usually around 5:30 to 6. We're gonna go for 6, because Mama don't really get up that early usually. It's gonna be a fun time. Stick around. Make sure you subscribe. Let's get into the video, shall we? Do you guys think that Will would wear this? I think he would. Good morning, sunshines. First order of business is Will says he walks to Starbucks in the morning and he gets his coffee. Gets about 5,000 steps in, which to me seems like a lot. Maybe it's not. I've just never tracked my steps before. So I actually have a coffee shop really close to my house. Well, it's not really a coffee shop. They sell beverages. I don't think that they're gonna be open, but we're gonna go there anyways and see. I'm gonna have to talk really fast today because Will talks really fast and I'm gonna need coffee ASAP to do that. Come along, let's see what happens. Well, surprise, they were indeed closed. So I guess I'll just make my coffee here. Then Will says that he works until breakfast. I'm not used to not having breakfast when I first wake up. That's an adjustment for me. I'm not loving it. I feel like I need to look more like a boy. Hold on. Wear this? I mean, he is Canadian. Maybe he'd wear this hat. I don't know. What do boys wear? I've definitely seen Will wear a hat like this. I'm pretty sure I've seen Will wear Gymshark. Does he wear Gymshark? Here we go. Now I have huge Will Tenny energy. Hey, you're supposed to be working. I am. Okay, so I think we got most of my work done. I'm fucking starving. We're gonna go make our breakfast. Will is like a chef, man. He cooks the most detailed, exquisite things, or at least they are in my opinion. They're probably not even that complex, but to me, every morning I make some eggs and I make my toast real simple, but I see him cooking and he's got like fucking paprika and basil and lemon skin. I don't have any of that, but I'm gonna try my best to make one of his meals. This little, you'll see. Let's just go do it. I'm gonna try to remake one of his recipes. I don't have all the ingredients that he had, so here's what I have. Look, 2 eggs. 2, that's it. And some peppers, which is probably like 2 out of the 20 ingredients that he had. So I guess we're just gonna, I don't know. Alright, we're gonna crack our eggs. I don't have faith in this. Giant ass chunk of frozen vegetables. What the fuck? What am I making, man? What am I making? And now we're just gonna put this in this pan. God, I'm such a good chef. I'm sure these will turn out great. I think they look kind of good. Would you eat this?
Yep, just like Will makes them.
I also almost forgot about my steps, so let's see how many steps we have so far. Wow, 1,000 already. But Will says he gets 5,000. So I'm gonna take Tsuki on a walk. I mean, Ollie. Me and Ollie are gonna go on a walk. Let's see how many steps we got. Oh shit, we only got 2. Balls. Can I like Photoshop 5,000? I'm ready to get my workout in. I'm gonna try Will's upper body workout. I don't have a barbell, so I'm gonna have to modify a lot of the exercises that Will does. Let's get our massive pump in. So, just got back from the store. I spent a lot of money. But now it's time to make some lunch. Will loves pizza, so I got some things to make a pizza just like him. But some of the ingredients aren't exactly the same. Oh god.
The camera's dying.
We're gonna try to make this pizza quick before my camera dies, okay? Will uses pita bread for pizza. I couldn't find pita bread, but aren't these things cute? So, Will, in your video, you said that you don't use this because it has too many carbs or something. Too many carbs or too many fats or both. And you said you used tomato sauce or something? I don't know. But when I went to the store, it was $5. I don't got that money. So I just got some regular stuff and some peppers that we used this morning. I feel rushed. I feel stressed now. Am I gonna run out of time? Okay, let's do like 6 of these guys. Can you see what I'm doing? Sauce. Yeah! It's so satisfying when you finally get it. Quickly spread the sauce. Dude, wait, I think I got the wrong kind of sauce. I think this is for pasta. Can you use it on pizza too? I don't know. Okay, that'll be enough. Here's, it looks good, doesn't it? All right, let's pop it in the oven. I will see you guys after these bake or cook. I actually don't know how long. Probably like 25 minutes, right? That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just wing it. I don't know. Okay, it's only been 10 minutes, so my camera didn't really get to charge. But my pizza's burning, so I need to take it out of the oven. So, what do you guys think? I want Will to rate all the meals that I eat in this video. Rate them on a scale of 1 to 10. I bet they're all gonna be like a 1. Nah, that's too nice. So let's try to have a bite of this. That looks delicious. It's burnt, man. It's not good. It tastes how it looks. So I'm gonna eat these joyously. And then we're gonna do cardio. Well, I don't know how you break your cardio up from your weight training. I can't do that. I have to do weight training, cardio, and then shower, and then I'm done for the day. Like, I can't split it up. But props to the people who can, man. It's cardio time. Let's open up the Orange Theory app and let's see what we got here. What the fuck? What's all this shit about? Choose home studio. Wait, no, I'm not doing that. Can I skip? I just want to do the workout. Let's do it. Jesus Christ, why do you... What's going on? So the app isn't working. It keeps saying this and nothing's happening. All right, apparently isn't gonna work. Man, I at least wanted this part of the video to not be a failure. Maybe I can find one on YouTube. Okay, they have a YouTube channel. I don't really want to do 40 minutes. I'll try. What is this? What is this?
Pose out 45
Sumo squat, I can do that. Hey look, I finally hit 5,000 steps. Check it out. That took forever. Wait, what's going on? I'm so confused. Oh shit, I'm supposed to be going, okay. Your girl's dying, holy shit. Hun! This is actually really hard, wow. Jesus Christ, man. I thought I was fit, I'm not fit. Holy balls! I'm humbled. I am a humbled girl today. I'm gonna have to actually start doing these Orange Theory workouts because this shit is good. Now Will says that he usually has a post-cardio meal. Let me just go show you what my post-cardio meal is. Come with me, come on. Ta-da! That counts as a meal, right? This shit slaps. Y'all say that in Canada?
How many calories is in that?
330 per serving.
How many
So,
servings?
3.
990 calories? Almost 1,000 calories for the whole thing?
Holy balls. So what we're gonna do for dinner, I got all Will's staple items and we're just gonna make a concoction out of them. I don't know what we're gonna make, but let's see how it goes. What could go wrong, man? Chicken and maple breakfast sausage. I know he likes turkey sausage, but I don't really like to eat meat that much. So I got vegetarian. Oh, I got a zucchini. I'm trying to think of a joke I could make because this is the perfect opportunity, but I don't have it, man. It has to be off the cuff. I can't just like try to think of one. I couldn't find egg whites either, so I just got some regular eggs. I got like nothing that he actually gets, I swear to God. Oh, speaking of that, I got some donuts and they were out of Boston cream. So we're just gonna pretend these are Boston cream, okay? All right.
Did you get cauliflower?
I think I did. Where is it?
Did they chip me out of my cauliflower?
It's right here. I got some riced cauliflower. I used to eat this all the time when I was on prep for my bikini competition. I haven't eaten this in years, and it brings back not good memories. But we're gonna see what we can make with all of this. I know what we should make. We're gonna bring back our little pita bread, because I didn't get real pita bread either. We're gonna put cauliflower, some egg, some maple thing, and some zucchini on this bread. We're gonna have the donut for dessert. Let's see how this goes. Oh, I should wear an apron, because he always wears an apron. I don't think I have one. I have this towel. That works, right? Do I look naked? let that sit, and I'm probably gonna burn that. Will, I know you're gonna rate this a 10 out of 10. Okay, you know the drill. Hair goes back. When you got a meal like this, the hair goes back. This is not the only thing it goes back for. I feel like the more the video goes on, the more I channel my inner Will. The verdict, I'm a freaking chef, baby. That's really good. So I guess I'll just eat this, and then I get to eat my donut, which I'm really excited for. Oh, and I have to listen to John Mayer. See you in a bit. All right, so now we're just gonna put on some John Mayer and just chill the heck out, man. I think John Mayer's, he's pretty good. Yeah, I like his music, so we're just gonna vibe to it. Now it's time to end our evening with a little Boston cream. Just go with it, just go with it. A Boston cream donuts. That is mediocre. I just want to say real quick, Will, I know I don't know you, but you seem like such a cool, down-to-earth person to take the time out of your day to respond to me. I just think that's really awesome of you, and I appreciate it. I hope one day we could collab. I hope one day I meet you and Katie. We'll all eat a donut. Thank you all for watching. If you liked the video, make sure you give it a like. Make sure you subscribe for more content from yours truly, Mama Swole. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Deuces.